Hi, look at you. A mess, right? Pathetic, isn't it? The world broke you, left you behind like trash. They did a number on you, didn't they? All those people you trusted, the ones you thought had your back. Yeah, those people. They chewed you up, spit you out, and didn't even look back. But here's the thing, they're watching you now. Yeah, they are. They're waiting for you to stay down. Waiting for you to crumble under the weight of it all. Do you think they care? Nah. They hope you don't get back up. They want you to stay in the dirt. But your rise, that terrifies them. When you stand up again, you're not going to be the same. No, you're going to be something more. Something they can't even comprehend. Have you ever thought about the power you hold just by existing? You, my friend, are a threat. That's why they tried to break you. They saw something in you, something they feared. They knew what you could become if you realized your strength, so they tried to kill that fire inside you, but here's the thing, they failed. Remember the saying, they tried to bury me, but they didn't know I was a seed. That's you. You're not buried, you're planted. You're about to grow into something real. Something huge. And when you do, those same people who left you for dead will have to watch. They'll watch you rise, watch you climb, and watch you become everything they could never touch. You think it's over. You think it's done just because they hurt you. No. Those scars, they're not signs of weakness, they're your battle marks, trophies from the war you survived. And guess what? They're permanent. Wear them with pride. Pain. You're looking at it all wrong. You think you're broken, but you're not. You're rebuilding. You're not the same anymore. You're becoming something better. Something harder to break. Ever break a bone? But heal stronger, right? Well, that's you now. Your spirit? It's fractured, sure. But it's coming back stronger. More resilient. And God, He's watching. He's not going to let this go unnoticed. He's got something special in store for you. You've heard that He'll rebuild you in front of the people who broke you, right? It's not just some saying. It's real. He's going to turn your pain into power, your loss into fuel. He's going to rebuild you piece by piece right in front of their eyes. And when He does, they'll choke on their own jealousy. You'll rise stronger, wiser, meaner. You can sit here and rot, let them win. Or you can get up, dust off the dirt, and let God do His work. Ever seen a masterpiece painted overnight? Nah. Rebuilding takes time. You've been through hell, but that fire, that's what's forging you. Making you untouchable. Unstoppable. It hurts now, but that's the process. You don't get diamonds without pressure. You don't get strength without struggle. The world will keep coming at you, trying to knock you down again. But once you've been through this, nothing can break you again. You're not a victim. You're a survivor. Scratch that. You're a warrior. They thought they ended you. Thought they had the last laugh. But the joke's on them. They just lit a fire in you that will burn so bright it'll blind them. You're going to rise. And when you do, you'll be untouchable. They'll see. God's not just going to rebuild you. He's going to elevate you higher than you've ever been. And when you stand there rebuilt, renewed, reborn, they'll have to live with the knowledge that they couldn't break you. No matter how hard they tried, you were too strong to fall. People love to pretend they care. They'll smile, pat you on the back, say all the right things. But when things go south, poof, gone, vanished, like smoke in the wind. That's the truth. You can't trust anyone out here. Those friends, they were just waiting for you to slip up, waiting for their chance to push you off the edge. They thought they won, because they saw you grasp. They're going to see someone who walked through fire and came out stronger. Someone who took every hit and every blow and turned it into something that no one can ever tear down again. They're going to watch as you rise, not just as the person you were, but as a new force altogether unshakable, untouchable. And the best part, they're going to have to sit there and deal with it. Watch you transform into everything they couldn't break, everything they couldn't destroy. The ones who thought they'd defeated you will realize, too late, that they just helped forge a weapon. They thought they could bury you, but they didn't know you were born for this battle. When you rise, you'll be the living proof that nothing, no matter how hard, how painful, can truly defeat you. You'll stand tall, a testament to resilience, a living monument of strength, and all those who tried to tear you down, they'll have to live with the knowledge that they couldn't. They'll watch you walk into your greatness, and they'll know they're the ones who failed. Because you're not just surviving anymore, you're thriving, you've been rebuilt, remade, and you're unstoppable. And when God rebuilds you, He doesn't just restore what was broken. No, He takes you beyond what you ever thought was possible. He turns the shattered pieces into something more, something stronger, wiser, and fiercer. So keep rising, because this is only the beginning. The best part is yet to come, and when you stand in that power, you'll be unstoppable. Let them watch. Let them regret. Because they're going to see a force they could never have imagined, and that force is you. You're not just a survivor, you're a warrior. A warrior that the world will have no choice but to reckon with. You're not just coming back, you're coming back as a whole different beast. On an entirely different level. And that's going to scare the hell out of them. They thought they broke you, but all they did was give you the fuel to rise higher. When you rise, standing there stronger, wiser, and unbreakable, they're going to have to live with that truth. They'll have to live with the knowledge that no matter what they did, they couldn't stop you. You didn't just survive this, you thrived. You rebuilt something so strong, so powerful, that nothing can tear it down again. And they'll sit there, powerless, watching you become everything they feared.